Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I having one dry machine for the repair. It is brand wise Cnady brand, Hoover group. This thumble dryer condensation system. This complaint is machine getting on. We can start the machine. It's power everything perfect, but after selecting any option, machine not getting heat. Because of that, we have to check properly. We have to first of all we have to check heater, thermistor, heater element, everything we have to check. We will check what was the problem. After that we can give the solution. We will go to the checking step. We will check again. Now I am selecting option here. Now I am selecting cotton option. Now I select cotton option. It is showing 2 hours 40 minutes display, and we will start the machine. The machine start. This is cupboard dry cotton option. You can see the indicator here. This is hanger indicator. That means this is cupboard dry. And now I'm going to open the door. Yeah, it's not getting heat actually. It's not getting heat. We will check first heater side, the back of the machine, the heater element, and thermistor, thermostat, everything we have to check. Also we have to check dryer filters. Here filter is not that much dirty. It's not blockage, little bit lint, but it's not yeah, anyway we have to clean the filter also, but this is not the problem. We have to check the heater element, and we will check heater element. After that we can find out the back of the machine heater. You can find the heater here. Now we are going to remove a heater cover first. That is so many screws we have to release, we have to remove. If you found this type of thing, first of all we have to check the heater. After that only we have to go for another option. First we have to remove. Now we removed already cover. After that we have to check here you can find the thermistor here, 2 thermistors. Sometimes this plunger is coming up, but it is also stable, and we will check with the meter, and after that we can find out. First we will disconnect the thermistor line here. And also this one also. And now while you are going to check the thermistor, you have to disconnect the power. And now we can check here. Yeah, this thermistor is okay. This thermostat is okay. Yeah, this one you can see this one not continuity showing. That means this one gone. Because of that only this machine not getting heat. It is 100% sure. After replacing we have to check again. Now we will remove this one. We will reconnect, and we will remove here. No screw, only the lock. Like this we can remove, and again we will check. See, it's not showing continuity. It's already gone. This is the problem actually. This machine also bought by customer to our workshop. Now we have to change the thermistor and we will check. Now I have in thermistor. This one also for dryer. Also this one also for dryer. Now the old one. This one already gone. You can see the continuity is not showing. But I having this one. This is okay. Continuity is showing. We can fix, and we will check with this machine. This is okay. This is 120 Celsius degree. This one also same. We can fix and check. We can fix like that as same before old one, which is defect one. This lock we have to fix properly. And also here. After that we can connect. And now we will give the connection, power connection. After that we will check one test run we can run. Now again I am selecting cotton option. Stop for 240 is showing, and start. Machine is start. We can check back of the machine heater again while touching. We can see. Yeah, it's heating. We can check here 230 power coming or not. Here power passing. You can see the 230 power is there. That means heater is working. The power 230 supply into the heater. No need to remove the heater. It's already heat. Now we have to clean the machine and we can call the customer. We have to refix the machine. Before fixing we have to clean here everywhere, lint and all. This is the problem. If it is like this situation, if coming or if customer coming with the items, this is small job for us. And first we have to step by step we have to go. We have to check if it is not starting. We have to check the power cable, fuse, and where is the power supplying area, the control board, everything. But in this case we have to check only the heater first, because the heater not working. Because of that, first I remove the cover and check. We found this thermostat not working. It is already defect. Now we replace the thermostat. Now it is working properly. No any issue. Now we have to refix and hand over to the customer. Thanks for watching my channel. If you are still not subscribe my channel, I am requesting kindly subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching again. another video.